Hello, I'm Kavish's mother. He's in Mont 2 in Achariya Shiksha Mandir, Venkata Nagar. Recently, the school had conducted a skill project. I was really happy to see the students performing really well in all the activities. Their response to our questions were very quick. They were performing all the activities very enthusiastically. The teachers' hard work and the efforts that they had put in was clearly visible in the way the students were interacting and performing in the project. Such kind of skill projects really help the students to give a practical approach to whatever they studied throughout the year, and it also boosts their confidence. The atmosphere of the school is also very friendly. The teachers and students share a great rapport with each other. So I really look forward for more such activities in the school.